All right, we have the climate controlled 3D printer cover here. We'll show you what we did to make this design. Here with our 3D printer cover made out of PVC pipe and fittings. Start off, we have the PVC pipe sections. These ones here long are 26 inches long. Then we have the section right here is 21 inches long. And then coming down here we have the three-way fitting. We have 8 of those. This is just making kind of a box shape. Of the pipe lengths and how many you need. For this section here, the 21-inch sections of PVC pipe, you're going to need a total of 4 sticks. For the 26-inch sections of PVC pipe, you're going to need a total of 8. To hold all the plastic on, we're just using snap clamps to secure the plastic. Goes on like that. This is extremely nice to protect your 3D printer from dust when you have it in your office, when you're not using it. And we have this cradle system. We'll show you how to build that. All right, what we have here is a cap at the end. We have a 90-degree elbow. We have a section that's approximately 3.5 inches there, another 90-degree elbow. Then you have a slip T right there. You're gonna have 2 of those setups right there, and it creates the cradle system for your plastic. Rolls up, it's right there. If you're looking for an inexpensive way to cover your 3D printer, go ahead and purchase your kit today with Circo Innovations. To make your order today, go to the link in the description below.